I have a blue pen.
I have a blue pen.
She is in the kitchen.
She is in the kitchen.
We play football every weekend.
We play football every weekend.
Can I have some juice, please?
Can I have some juice, please?
He lives in a small village.
He lives in a small village.
The dog is sleeping.
The dog is sleeping.
I like apples and bananas.
I like apples and bananas.
My bag is on the chair.
My bag is on the chair.
This is my favorite book.
This is my favorite book.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside.
I always brush my teeth at night.
I always brush my teeth at night.
She studies English every day.
She studies English every day.
They are going to the cinema tonight.
They are going to the cinema tonight.
I don't eat meat.
I don't eat meat.
He's talking to his teacher.
He's talking to his teacher.
We're meeting at the cafe at 5.
We're meeting at the cafe at 5.
I can't find my phone.
I can't find my phone.
The train leaves at 8:30 a.m.
The train leaves at 8:30 a.m.
I've never been to the beach before.
I've never been to the beach before.
I've just finished my homework.
I've just finished my homework.
If it rains tomorrow, we'll stay home.
If it rains tomorrow, we'll stay home.
She has been learning French for 2 years.
She has been learning French for 2 years.
He didn't enjoy the film as much as I did.
He didn't enjoy the film as much as I did.
I forgot to bring my wallet.
I forgot to bring my wallet.
We need to make a decision soon.
We need to make a decision soon.
I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
Could you tell me where the nearest bank is?
Could you tell me where the nearest bank is?
I wasn't expecting the test to be so difficult.
I wasn't expecting the test to be so difficult.
Let's wait here until they call our names.
Let's wait here until they call our names.
He always interrupts when someone is speaking.
He always interrupts when someone is speaking.
I would travel more if I had more money.
I would travel more if I had more money.
Although she was tired, she kept working.
Although she was tired, she kept working.
They haven't confirmed the date yet.
They haven't confirmed the date yet.
I was surprised by how easy it was to use.
I was surprised by how easy it was to use.
He's considering moving to another country.
He's considering moving to another country.
The results were better than we had hoped.
The results were better than we had hoped.
I'm not sure whether I'll attend the meeting.
I'm not sure whether I'll attend the meeting.
The article explains the issue in great detail.
The article explains the issue in great detail.
I completely forgot that we had a meeting.
I completely forgot that we had a meeting.
She's one of the most talented people I've met.
She's one of the most talented people I've met.
I saw him walking down the street this morning.
I saw him walking down the street this morning.
Do you want to come with us?
Do you want to come with us?
He usually goes to bed early.
He usually goes to bed early.
That's the house I grew up in.
That's the house I grew up in.
I'm going to bake a cake this afternoon.
I'm going to bake a cake this afternoon.
He promised he would help me tomorrow.
He promised he would help me tomorrow.
Could I borrow your pen for a moment?
Could I borrow your pen for a moment?
I'm used to waking up early.
I'm used to waking up early.
We haven't seen each other in years.
We haven't seen each other in years.
The meeting was canceled due to the storm.
The meeting was canceled due to the storm.
What time do you usually have lunch?
What time do you usually have lunch?
The museum is open from 10 to 6.
The museum is open from 10 to 6.
It's important to drink enough water.
It's important to drink enough water.
She often listens to music while studying.
She often listens to music while studying.
I'll call you as soon as I arrive.
I'll call you as soon as I arrive.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
My sister is taller than me.
My sister is taller than me.
He enjoys reading history books.
He enjoys reading history books.
I wasn't able to finish the task on time.
I wasn't able to finish the task on time.